going on, everybody? Just want to do a quick overview on the Hellion twin turbo kit for 15 through 17 5.0. I don't think there's one on YouTube, so I just wanted to do a quick overview before I started putting this shit on the car. So basically, I got everything laid out here. Just took everything out of the box. These are Precision Twin 6266. Kit comes with Turbo Smart bluff valves, as well as Precision V-band wastegates, which are still in the box there. Get a shot of the intercooler here. Turbo blankets, which you have to add on. Some various oil feed lines and drain. Kit comes with a new radiator fan shroud. This is all of the clamps and couplers, as well as most of the vacuum stuff there. Some heat wrap, some new Ford gaskets for the headers, I'm assuming. It utilizes a 11 through 14 passenger header and your factory driver side header. This is all the piping here. Got it laid out, not everything's open. Just trying to get a nice look at all this stuff before we start installing it here. Everything's V-band for the most part. Welds look pretty nice. This is the downpipe here. But yeah, just figured I'd post a quick video here on YouTube and give everybody who's interested in this kit a little look at it before dropping the funds on it. Alright guys, appreciate it. Have a good one.